exercise 5.2, question number 10. Prove that the greatest integer function defined by fx is equal to greatest integer greater less than range between 0 to 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So let's check at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, left hand side of 1 is what? 0. Right hand side of 1 is what? 2. Now let reduce this interval to some by say very small interval, say h. Is it? This will take as h here and here also h. So what will be here in left hand side? 1 minus h. Is it? 1 minus h. And here will be 1 plus h. 1 plus h. 1 minus h. 1 plus h. Is it? So let's check at LHD, left hand differentiable. So let limit x tend to 0, fc of c minus h minus f of c upon minus of h. C is what? Minus 1. Is it? We are checking at x is equal to 1. So c is 1. So limit h tend to 0. In place of c1, so f 1 minus h minus f of 1. Is it? Upon minus h. Limit h tend to 0. Is it? Greater integer. Now this is a greater integer. 1 minus h. See, what is in left side of 1 minus h? Left side of 1 minus h is 0. So greater integer greater than 1 minus h is 0. And integer 1 is 1. Is it? So what we get is minus 1 upon minus h. So it is 1 by h. When h tend to infinity, when h tend to 0, 1 by h tend to infinity. Is it? Now limit h tend to 0, c plus h minus f of c upon h. So limit h tend to 0, c is 1. So 1 plus h minus f of 1 upon h. So if we substitute limit h tend to 0, then we get greater integer 1 plus h minus greater integer of 1. Is it? 1 plus h. Now 1 plus h, if you see here, this is 1 plus h, small interval. What is the left hand side of 1 plus h? Left hand side of 1 plus h is 1. So value of greater integer 1 plus h is 1. So it is 1. F of 1 is what? Greater integer of 1 is what? 1. So minus 1 plus 1, it is cancelled out, 0. Is it? So it becomes 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Is equal to, let's continue. X at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is the left hand side of 2? 1. What is right hand side of 2? 3. Is it? Let again take here also a small interval, say h. Is it? So left hand side will become 2 minus h and right hand side will become 2 plus h. So LDH, limit h tend to 0, f c minus h minus f of c upon minus of h. So limit h tend to 0, f 2 minus h minus f of 2 upon minus h. So greater integer of 2 minus h. What is in left hand side of 2 minus h? It is 1. So value is 1. And of integer 2 is 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 upon h. So 1 and 1, minus 1 minus 1 cancel out. So it is 1 upon h. 1 upon h. When the h tend to infinity, 1 upon h tend to infinity. When the limit h tend to 0, 1 upon h tend to infinity. RDH, limit h tend to 0, f c plus h minus f of c upon h. So limit h tend to 0, f 2 plus h minus f of 2 upon h. Limit h tend to 0, greater integer greater than 2 plus h. 2 plus h. What is left hand side of 2 plus h? 2. Is it? So the greater integer of 2 plus h is 2 and of 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2 0. 0 upon h is 0. So LDH is not equal to RDH. So function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So that the function fx is equal to x square sine 1 upon x if x is not equal to 0 and f of x is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. Is differentiable at x is equal to 0 and f dash of 0 is equal to 0. That we have to prove. Is it? So left hand derivative, limit x tend to 0, f c minus h minus f of c upon minus h. So limit s tend to 0. We are checking at x is equal to 0. So in place of c you have to put 0. So limit x tend to 0, f 0 minus h minus f of 0 upon minus h. Is it? Substitute here. Instead of x square, what will come? Minus h. So minus h whole square. So we can say that it is h square. And sine 1 upon minus 1 upon h. So you get h square sine minus 1 upon h. Is it? So h square here, it is minus. What is the sine theta? Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So sine minus 1 upon h can be written as minus sine 1 upon h. And this is h square. So h square and h square cancel. Minus and minus will also cancel out. Is it? So you will get h sine 1 upon h. When h tend to 0, this will also become 0. All will become 0. Is it? Now RDH, limit x tend to 0, f c plus h minus f of c upon h. So limit x tend to 0, c is 0. Is it? We are checking at x is equal to 0. So 0 plus h minus f of 0 upon h. So substituting in this, the function f of x is what? X square sine 1 upon h upon h. So h and s cancel out. So limit x tend to 0, h sine 1 upon h. When we substitute x is equal to 0, entire will become, all this entire terms will become 0. So this is 0. So LDH is equal to RDS. So function is differentiable at x is equal to 0. Is it? Now we have to prove that. What is that? F dash of x is equal to 0. So what is f dash of x? From definition of differentiable, f dash of x is limit x tend to 0, f x plus h minus f of x upon h. It is 0 here, so here will be also 0. So f dash of 0 will be equal to limit h tend to 0, f 0 plus h minus f of 0 upon h. Okay, so if we substitute h here, so what we say, limit x tend to 0, what will get like this, h square sine 1 upon h upon h. H will cancel out, it will be h into sine 1 upon h. When the limit x tend to 0, this will be 0. Is it? And f of 0 is also 0. Is it? So 0 minus 0. So if you substitute, you will get limit x tend to 0, 0 plus h minus f of 0. This I have not done completely, you have to do it. So limit x tend to 0, 0 minus 0 upon h, which is equal to 0. So what we implies is that f dash of 0 is equal to 0. So that the function fx is equal to mod x plus 1 plus mod x minus 1 for all x belongs to R is not differentiable at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to check at x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. Function is given as fx is equal to mod x plus 1 plus mod x minus 1. You have to check it at here. So this will be equal to 0. If I say x plus 1 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus 1. If you say minus 1, so what will be here? Minus x plus 1. Here will be x plus 1. Is it? Okay. Second function is here x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Left hand side of this will be minus of minus x, and right hand side will be same as it is. Sorry, same as it is. Is it? So we got a breakup now. What is that? X is strictly, x is less than minus 1 minus 1, okay, less than equal to x less than 1 means it is between 1 and minus 1, and x is greater than equal to 1. Is it greater than equal to 1? So x is equal. Now we'll check at what will be the function of these two mod when x is less than minus 1. Okay, is it? What function is given to us? F of x is equal to x plus 1 plus mod x minus 1. So let's check when x is less than minus 1. Less than minus 1 means this one. What will be here? Multiply with the minus sign, so minus x minus 1. Here x plus 1. Is it? Minus, okay, minus x. We are checking for this 2. This will be taken as minus, and here will be also minus. Is it? This, so will be written as minus x minus 1. Okay, and then this will be also taken as minus, so multiply with the minus sign, so minus x plus 1. Got it? Again you see this is less than, so it will has to be taken minus, so it will be taken in the bracket minus x plus 1. So if you multiply with the minus sign here, so minus x minus 1, minus x minus 1, and this will be taken as x minus 1. Here we have to do, is it? Will be taken as minus of x minus 1 for this function. Multiply with minus sign, so minus x plus 1, so this will cancel out, sorry, 1 and minus 1 cancel out, so minus 2, so it will be equal to minus 2x. Okay, second will be in between 1 and minus 1. Between minus 1 and 1, what will be the function of this? Here, okay, this 2 will be there. So what will be the value of this? X plus 1 will be written as x plus 1. This will be multiplied with minus sign, so minus x plus 1, so x and x will cancel out, it will be 2. For minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Is it? Now greater than these two function will remain as it is, x plus 1 plus x minus 1, so 1 and 1 will cancel out, it will be plus 2x for x greater than equal to 1. Is it? At x is equal to minus 1, LDH limit x tend to minus 1 1, what we can do like this also. Okay, limit x tend to 0, f c minus h minus f of c upon minus of h. We can do like this also. Is it? Then if we substitute, where we are checking at x is equal to minus 1, so limit x tend to 0, f minus 1 minus of h minus f of h upon minus h. Is it? So where we will be substituting as left hand side of here, minus means left hand side of h. What is the left hand side of h? Left hand side of minus 1, it is minus of 2x, so we will substitute minus of 2x. Is it? So minus 2, 1 minus 1 minus h, and f of minus 1. Minus 1 is what here? Minus of minus. Is it? Okay, f of minus 1 is will become 2. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1, minus minus will become plus. So plus 2, and this is minus, so minus 2. If you multiply inside, minus 2 into 1, it is plus 2, minus into minus 2h, and this is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will cancel out, it will get 2h upon minus h. Minus h and minus h will cancel out, it will be answer will be minus 2. Is it? RDH, you see, limit x tend to 0, c is minus 1, so minus 1 plus h minus f of minus 1. Is it? Where we have to see? We have to see at the right hand side of minus 1. Right hand side of minus 1, these are the two functions. So it is 2. Is it? Okay, here you can see what is the right hand side of the minus these two functions. What was the answer of these two? 2. Is it? So 2, 1 minus h, but we are constants. Here also it is constant. So minus 2 minus of 2 is equal to 0. So limit x tend to 0, it will be 0. So LDH function is not differentiable at x is equal to minus 1. We have to check at x is equal to 1. So LDH, limit x tend to 0, 1 minus h minus f of 1 upon minus h. Is it? Where we are checking? We have to check at x is equal to 1, left hand side. Now we are checking left hand side of 1, left hand side of 1. Is it? And right hand side of 1. Is it? So these two function greater than, what we got this 2 of x, when x is greater than equal to 1, greater than 1, then we get at what? 2x. So it is substitute as 2x. Is it? So limit left hand side is what? This one. And right hand side is what? 2. Is it? Left hand side is what? 2 of 1. Less than 1. Less than 1, what is that? It is less than 1, so it is 2. Greater than 1 is 2x. So left hand side, if we say at x is equal to 1 if we say again we say 1. Right hand side limit is what? 2x. Left hand side is what? Less than 1. Less than 1 means this 2. So 2. Is it? Okay. So limit LDH, limit x tend to 0, f1 minus h minus f of 1 upon minus h, limit x tend to 0, 2 minus 2 upon minus h, so it is equal to 0. LDH, what we get? 2x. We got 2x. So 2 in the bracket 1 plus h minus f of 2. Is it? F of 1 is 2. So minus 2. So if you open the bracket, plus and minus will cancel out. 2h upon h. 2h upon h is what? H cancel 2. So it will get 2. So LHS is not equal to LDH is not equal to RDH. So function is not continuous.